Stubborn nose blackheads removal before/after. Some blackheads come out easily, others don't move at all. They stay hidden deep inside the pores, for weeks, sometimes even months. Today's challenge isn't about ordinary blackheads, it's about removing the stubborn ones that refuse to let go. Why some blackheads become stubborn. Not every blackhead is the same. Some sit close to the surface, others become tightly compacted after months of oil buildup and oxidation. These deeper blockages require careful, controlled extraction. The challenge begins. At first glance, only a few blackheads are visible, but under magnification, hundreds of congested pores appear across the nose. The real work is about to begin. Step 1. Deep cleansing. The skin is cleansed thoroughly to remove surface oil and prepare the pores for treatment. Step 2. Steam softening. Warm steam loosens hardened oil plugs trapped inside the pores. This makes stubborn blackheads easier to extract. Step 3. Stubborn blackheads extraction. One stubborn blackhead after another. The congestion slowly begins to release. Some extractions take seconds, others require patience and precision. Every successful removal brings the transformation one step closer. Step 4. The turning point. As the deepest blockages are removed, the appearance of the nose starts changing dramatically. Texture becomes smoother, congestion fades, the pores begin looking cleaner. Before/after results. Before, stubborn deep blackheads, clogged pores, uneven texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother skin surface, refreshed nose appearance. Final skin refresh. A calming treatment completes the session, helping the skin recover while revealing the final transformation. Final message. The most stubborn blackheads aren't removed with force. They're removed with patience, precision, and proper pore care. Every clean pore is proof that persistence pays off. If you enjoyed this stubborn nose blackheads removal and before and after transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead extraction, and satisfying skincare videos.